494%. This is the profit made by this scalping strategy after just 150 trades. This strategy was discovered by one of my subscribers called John. He was like,
"Hey, here's my strategy. Can you backtest it and do a video?"
And I was like,
Yeah, gonna do it tomorrow.
So here we are. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how this strategy works, and I'm also gonna backtest it live in order to see the rest of its performance metrics like win rate, profit factor, maximum drawdown, and so much more. Let's get straight to it. First things first, get on TradingView and load any trading security of your choice. For me, I'm gonna be using the GBP JPY on the 15-minute time frame. Now go to the indicator search tab and type in UT bot alerts. Be sure to select this one right here. Then we're gonna access this indicator settings by clicking right here. Click on the inputs tab and change the key value to 3, and then change the ATR value to 5. Now John didn't specify this, but we're gonna go to the style tab and uncheck the bar colors like this, because we don't need our bar colors changed. So this indicator will be our entry confirmation indicator. Whenever it prints a buy signal, we buy. Whenever it prints a sell signal, we sell. Now for the second indicator, head back to the indicators tab and type in Donchian Trend Ribbon. Be sure to select this one by Lonesome the Blue. Yeah, the name is Lonesome the Blue. It's just been truncated. Anyway, click on it to add it to your chart. The default settings will work perfectly, so we're not gonna change anything. Now this indicator will be our short-term trend identifier. When it's green, we only take long trades because the market would be in a short-term bullish trend. The opposite is true for when it's red, meaning that we will only take short trades because the market would be in a short-term bearish trend. Last but not least, our third indicator is called Buy, Sell, Wait. Be sure to select this one right here. Again, we're gonna access this indicator settings by clicking right here. Head over to the Style tab and uncheck everything except for the Trend CI. After that, head over to the Inputs tab and change the factor to 4. Now, John didn't specify this. He recommended leaving the input settings to default, but after a little bit of backtesting, I realized that changing the factor to 4 actually mitigated a lot of losing trades. So yeah, click OK. Now let's go over the conditions for entering trades. To enter a long trade, first, the Donchian Trend Ribbon should change color from red to green to indicate that the market is shifting from a short-term bearish trend to a short-term bullish trend. Second, we confirm that the buy-sell wait indicator is colored green. If it's not, we wait for it to change color from red to green, while the Donchian Trend Ribbon is still colored in green. The third condition is to wait for the UT bot alerts to print a buy signal, while both the Donchian Trend Ribbon and the buy-sell wait indicator are all still colored in green. One thing to note is that we will only take the very first signal that comes after all conditions have been met. If there is a second signal, like this one right here, we wouldn't take it because, as per my backtesting, the majority of this usually don't turn out profitable. All our entry conditions are met on this candle, so we're gonna enter a long trade. The stop loss is gonna be set at the most recent swing low, which is this one right here. And for the take profit, we're gonna set it at 2 times the risk. We let this trade run, and full TP. Here is another example. As we can see here, the Donchian Trend Ribbon changed color from red to green, and the buy-sell wait indicator was also colored in green. Finally, we see that the UT bot alerts issued a buy signal, so this becomes our entry candle. We enter a long trade here, set our stop loss below the most recent swing low, which is this one right here. And for the take profit, we're gonna set it at 2 times the risk. We let this trade run, and full TP. Now, what are the conditions for entering a short trade? Well, here are the conditions. First, the Donchian Trend Ribbon should change color from green to red to indicate that the market is shifting from a short-term bullish trend to a short-term bearish trend. Second, we confirm that the buy-sell wait indicator is colored in red. If it's not, we wait for it to change color from green to red, while the Donchian Trend Ribbon is still colored in red. The third condition is to wait for the UT bot alerts to print a sell signal while both the Duncan trend ribbon and the buy-sell weight indicator are all still colored in red. All these conditions are met on this candle, so we enter a short trade. We're gonna set our stop loss above the most recent swing high, which is this one right here. And for the take profit, we're gonna set it at 2 times the risk. We let this trade run and full TP. Now here's another example. As we can see here, the Duncan trend ribbon changed color from green to red, and at the same time the buy-sell weight indicator was also colored in red. Finally, we see that the UT bot alert printed a sell signal, so this becomes our entry candle. We enter a short trade here, set our stop loss above the most recent swing high, which is this one right here. And for the take profit, we're gonna set it at 2 times the risk. We let the trade run. And it hits TP. The most important question now is,
How exactly does this strategy perform in different market conditions?
well, we're gonna answer that. That's why we're gonna backtest it 150 times using a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. The account size is gonna be set at $1,000 and we're gonna be risking 2% of that every time we take a trade. Let's get started. After 150 trades, we see that the win rate of this strategy was 54% and the gain on the account was 494%. These numbers are decent, especially considering the 1:2 risk to reward ratio. We see that it had an amazing profit factor of 2.35, 5 consecutive wins against 6 consecutive losses, and a maximum drawdown of 11.42%. Also, the backtesting for this strategy took 11 months. This doesn't mean that you can now go and put in your entire mortgage payment into this strategy. In fact, this strategy has a lot of losing trades when the market is consolidating. If you want to trade using any strategy, do your own extensive backtesting and forward testing by trading with it on a demo account so you can have as much confidence as possible when trading live. The goal of my YouTube channel and similar channels out there is to just give you the basics of trading strategies in form of indicator combinations upon which you can find the inspiration to create your own profitable trading systems. You can do that by combining these indicators with price action, or market structure, or support and resistance, or smart money concepts, or ICT, or yeah, you get the point. So if you want to find that indicator, the one that will be the greatest addition ever to your strategy, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.